PT500 Gearbox Fault Simulation Test Bench, designed specifically for mechanical fault diagnosis, teaching, and scientific research. Integrated with core components including drive motor, coupling, bearings, rotor, dynamic balancing disc, rotating shaft, multi-stage parallel gearbox, planetary gearbox, and magnetic powder brake, enabling simulation of various typical mechanical faults. Supports rotor unbalance simulation and dynamic balancing calibration experiments. Simulates misalignment faults of motors and couplings. Interchangeable faulty bearings with inner ring defects, outer ring defects, rolling element defects, cage defects, and compound faults for vibration and noise characteristic signal acquisition. The parallel gearbox allows quick replacement of gears with different faults, such as missing teeth, broken teeth, wear, and cracks. A helical gearbox is available as an option. Faulty gears for planetary gearbox are replaceable, covering ring gear, planet gear, and sun gear faults. The system is equipped with an oil circulation unit. It supports vibration characteristic analysis of bearing faults, gear faults, and other mechanical defects. Vibration performance under various loads can be measured for research purposes. A heat dissipation system is fitted to support long-duration continuous operation. The front panel integrates rotational speed control and display, with a speed range of 0 to 1,750 RPM, and adjustable precision of 1 RPM via a control knob. Operating voltage, single-phase AC 0 to 240 V, 50/60ths of a hertz. PLUGS compliant with Chinese and international standards are optional. An emergency stop button is provided for immediate equipment shutdown to ensure operational safety. All components are precision machined with ultra-tight tolerances for smooth running during operation. Suitable for teaching experiments, scientific research, fault diagnosis, algorithm feature analysis, and industrial training. PT500, built for authentic mechanical fault diagnosis, teaching, and research.